this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm apologising for there being no Fabric Friday episode last week. That was because I was too emotionally upset. It was the anniversary of the deaths of two very important people in my life, and so I was in no condition to do a video. But what helped me through was coming up here and sewing, crying a bit, sewing, crying some more, and sewing. I made this outfit, which I class as me going out outfit, and I thought I made it on the anniversary of the death of my father, the first anniversary, because I thought I don't want to celebrate his death, I want to celebrate his birth. I rarely go out, but I made myself a going out outfit, and both me and Lurch are going to go out on his birthday, which will be towards the end of August, so I will get to wear them then. And it helped me doing that. I made other things as well. I've gone nuts making things. I must have made, for me and for my mother and for next door and for my daughter, around about 20 outfits over the past month. So I think I may have got my sewing pattern making, my dressmaking out of my system. Still got a lot of fabric there for it, but I've learned a new trick of making my own patterns. So when I do get better at it, more adept and the better stuff, I might actually go through it with you, because at the moment I'm doing it with a roll of old wallpaper and a ruler that I use for putting designs on quilts, curved ruler. I'm just going to, I've done that much sewing the past month. I have neglected an awful lot. I took a few days out where I preserved an awful lot. I did a butcher's haul and a grocery haul in the same day, so that took me several days to get over, and I just went straight back into sewing and only did the bare essentials, housework. So I need to do a good clean through. Don't feel like doing it, but I need to do it. So I hope you all are all right, and I'll be seeing you soon, like the next video I put up. So thank you, bye.